Hello guys, I'm just playing normal MM2. Suddenly I got innocent. I don't know why I want sheriff. And I'm just gonna play it. I see a hacker in there. I cannot beat them, bro. I don't know why. So I find the gun and I get going to get the gun, and so I'm getting the gun, but the hacker killed me. Yeah, you see that girl? Yeah. Okay, so bye. Bye guys. See you in part 2.